Hi everyone. So, as promised, I'm making a new video. I know it's been a little bit of time since the last one. And I know this might sound or be a little strange coming from a serious account, but I'm kind of self-promoting here. One of my Tumblr blogs. It's a roleplay blog. Recently, I got back into Howl's Moving Castle for the first time in a few years. Um, I just watched it one night, really late at night, and just got fell in love with it all over again. In other words, since then I made a Howl blog for roleplay, and I'm going to put the URL in the little thing at the bottom in the description. So if you want to follow and roleplay, then it'll be there for you. So, yeah, like, I've had roleplay experience for a long time. I've been doing it on and off for like 10 years. So, you know, it's not going to be one of those one line as a reply things, maybe as a starter, but it'll get better as, you know, by the next reply. I accept memes, ask box threads, magic anons, stuff like that. So, if you're interested, then just follow the link at the bottom and it'll take you there. Okay? Bye.